Though automet is primarily used for individual pipe spools, it can also be used to verify critical tie-in interfaces within skids and modules. To capture all the tie-ins, we may need to move the instrument or the skid. We can do this using the move command and a set of control points without compromising accuracy. See our instrument move videos for detailed information on how to do this. Before measuring, design information must be entered into automet. In contrast to a spool or vessel input, this technique does not include the pipe and fittings. The file contains only flanges and support base plates. We accomplish this by having the largest diameter flange as flange 1. We then declare flange 2 as a pipe end, with only 0.1 mm between the two flanges. All additional flanges must be entered as pipe connections. The procedure is as follows. Add a pipe connection. Declare it as stab in. Change the diameter to match the flange. Add a line geometry distance of 0.1 mm and a branch geometry that matches the ISO flange. We will need to specify the location of this flange using the offset geometry editor box. Before doing this, change the flange specification. You will need to work out the XYZ offsets from your ISO. Select rectangular and enter the values here. Repeat for each pipework tie-in point. Supports can be added in the following way. Preview the PDF and export to see the flange specification, orientation, and coordinates. Load this design file at the beginning of the skid survey and measure the tie-ins as required. Move the instrument as needed, measuring the control points at each new survey position. Create the visual report. In our example, there is a large error on flange 12. We remove this from the fit with this button. Removing flange 12 from the fit further highlights the error at this flange and allows the other flanges to improve slightly. The reason this has happened is that automet tries to average out the error on all the flanges set to fit. When we removed 12 from the fit, its error is no longer being included in this averaging process, and the other flanges improve. The assumption in this scenario is that flange 12 will be corrected. Then, after tidying up how the report is presented, view your report here and export it here.